This is a 305 ECR 4-way angle float blade. It's got a Caterpillar pin-on hydraulic thumb. It's got the third valve on it also. It's got very, very nice matching undercarriage tracks. Original paint. Rollers are good, sprockets are very good. Like I say, it's all original. You're showing 33.26 hours. Good seat. All the lights work on it, they said. We'll go ahead and crank it up. Okay, Brett. We'll go ahead and crank it up and let them play with it a minute. The only thing we done to it, we did wash it, cleaned it. There's no rust, nothing like that. It's been well put there and great. So I'm good for utility captain. Very straight blade. Go ahead and shut this.